A faulty ignition coil can lead to several symptoms that affect your vehicle's performance. Here are some common signs of a bad ignition coil. Number 1. Engine misfires. You may experience rough idling or a noticeable loss of power, especially during acceleration. Number 2. Poor fuel economy. A malfunctioning ignition coil can cause incomplete combustion, leading to increased fuel consumption. Number 3. Check engine light. The check engine light may illuminate on your dashboard, often accompanied by specific error codes related to the ignition system. Number 4. Difficulty starting the engine. You might find it hard to start the vehicle, or it may take longer than usual to turn over. Number 5. Rough idling. The engine may shake or vibrate while idling due to inconsistent firing of the cylinders. Number 6. Engine stalling. The vehicle may stall unexpectedly, particularly when idling or under load. Number 7. Backfiring. A bad ignition coil can lead to backfiring, which occurs when fuel ignites in the intake manifold. Number 8. Decreased power and acceleration. You may notice a lack of power when accelerating, making it difficult to maintain speed. Number 9. High voltage test failure. If you perform a spark test, the voltage may be lower than expected, indicating a problem with the coil. If you suspect an issue with your ignition coil, it's advisable to have it inspected and replaced if necessary to avoid further damage to your engine. Thanks for watching and subscribe our YouTube channel.